Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases, or sentences together. For example, two sentences are given here. Sabha is a student of class 7. Arunima also is a student of class 7. We can join these two sentences together. Sabha and Arunima are students of class 7. In this sentence, and is conjunction. It was a long weekend. We decided to take a trip to Rishikesh. We can join these two sentences together. It was a long weekend, so we decided to take a trip to Rishikesh. Kinds of conjunctions. There are two kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction that connects sentences or clauses of equal rank or order is called a coordinating conjunction. These conjunctions always join two or more independent clauses. Some commonly used coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. For example, Soham woke up early, yet he was late to work. Arun wanted to see the match, so he went to Tarun's house. In these two sentences, yet and so both are conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions such as and nor are often used to add one more statement to another. For example, Tom and Huckleberry were upset. Coordinating conjunctions such as but and yet express opposition or contrast between two statements. For example, Kamal walked fast, yet he missed the bus. Coordinating conjunctions such as for and so show that one statement or fact is inferred from another. For example, we were tired, so we left the party early. Coordinating conjunctions such as either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, hardly, when, no sooner than function in pairs. They express a choice between two alternatives or simply connect two clauses of equal rank. They are also called correlative conjunctions. For example, Salim wants either a tennis racket or a football. In this way, we can understand that coordinating conjunctions join two sentences of equal rank. Means two separate sentences can be joined with coordinating conjunctions. Both are equally important. In a way, both are main clauses. Subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction that joins a subordinate clause to a main clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Some of the common subordinating conjunctions are as, because, whenever, when, though, until, since, if, and so that. For example, Soha will come for the program if she is invited. Here, if is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions such as when, as soon as, before, until, while, after, and till show time. For example, as soon as the alarm goes off, Sumit is out of bed. Some subordinating conjunctions such as in order that and so that indicate purpose. For example, Hema spoke loudly so that everyone could listen. Some subordinating conjunctions such as unless, if, and provided show a condition. For example, if I get a library full of storybooks, I will be the happiest person in the world. Some subordinating conjunctions such as since, as, and because indicate cause or reason. For example, Sudhir is happy since his exams are over. Some subordinating conjunctions such as although, though, even if, and however show contrast. For example, Sumit enjoyed reading the book although it had 300 pages. Some subordinating conjunctions such as so that and such that show effect. For example, it rained so heavily that the crops were ruined. Some subordinating conjunctions such as if and as though show manner. For example, it seems as if Anju is having a good time. Some subordinating conjunctions such as than, as much as, and no less than show comparison. For example, Aparna likes ice cream as much as she likes cakes. So these are conjunctions. Thank you.